So imagine getting paid to just talk, no stress, no degree, no experience, just chatting with people online, and you're getting paid up to $50 per hour. Sounds great, right? That's exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. I'm going to be showing you guys a website you can actually head to right now and start chatting with people, and you get paid up to $50 every single hour. And the name of this site is RentAFriend.com, and this is one of the best sites out there you can actually use to start chatting. And the best part, like I made mention of in this video, is the fact that you can earn up to $50 per hour. So first things first, what exactly is Rent a Friend website? So this is a website where you get paid for companionship, not dating, okay, not anything weird, and just friendship. All you're doing is being a friend to someone that has interest in certain things. All right, and as you guys can see, there are a whole lot of people that actually use this to talk to people that actually have same interest in certain events, people that have interest in certain sports, people that have interest in certain languages, people that have interest in going to the park, doing several things. So that's basically how this site works. So if you're someone that is friendly, you're good at certain things, and you're also good in chatting about those things, or you know how to have very deep conversations in certain topics with people, then this particular site is for you. And on the aspect a whole lot of you are interested in the aspect of payments, the good thing about Rent a Friend is the fact that you can actually set your own price per hour. It all depends on what you want, but the advice I always give people is to start moderate. And when you start getting the experience, you start getting a whole lot of people reaching out to you as a friend, then you can actually use the advantage of opting up your price, okay, per hour. People even go way higher, like I said, due to the fact that they already have experience. So just imagine this: if you're someone that decides to charge $10 per hour, and then you actually chat for about 2 hours, that's basically $20 per day. And imagine you doing this every single day, so you can multiply it times 7. That's basically $140 in a week. So that's basically how it works. Sounds great, right? And as you guys can see, Rent a Friend has actually been featured on CNN, ABC, OL, a whole lot of shows out there. So this is something that you definitely want to try out. In case you want to make money online, you're serious about making money online, this is a site you need to try out. Now, please, another very important aspect is you cannot really make money if you're the lazy type. This is actually a method of making money you need to treat like a business. Yeah, you're chatting to get paid, but you also want to treat it like a business. You don't need to overshare things, okay? You don't need to overshare things. Just be precise on what you guys are supposed to chat about. You don't need to go outside what you guys need to chat about. For you to actually get started, all you have to do is to scroll to the bottom over here where you see be a friend. Okay, so now once you click on be a friend, from here, this is where you're going to start the registration. You're going to start inserting your name, your username, and several other details. Start inserting what you want to talk about, the interest you actually want to be talking about. You're trying to be more specific, so when people are out there clicking on finding a friend, they would be able to find you based on those particular keywords or those particular interests you've actually attached to your bio. So you want to ensure your bio is also well optimized based on all what you can actually chat about. And as you guys can see over here, we have a whole lot of options. These are some samples of what a whole lot of people are coming here on Rent a Friend to get a friend for. Okay, so you want to ensure you're looking through and you are optimizing well. Do not just be specific on one single thing or two things. Ensure you're putting every single thing you can chat about so you can actually attract more clients. And please, there are a whole lot of people on this side that are also making money. So for you to actually stand out, try to be very unique in the method you chat. Don't just chat like a normal person. Chat uniquely, and also ensure you reply fast and be consistent. Ensure you offer value, ensure you're doing things that, yes, whoever actually pays you to be a friend actually values it. Because if you have someone that is your friend, someone that pays to become your friend, and they enjoy the way you talk, obviously they're going to keep chatting with you, they're going to keep coming back. This is not like a one-time something. This is something that once the person pays and the person loves the way you talk, obviously the person will keep paying, keep paying per hour to be that your friend. Okay, so this is something that you also want to treat like a very serious thing. Okay, if you're lazy, then trust me, this is not for you. This is for people that are actually serious about making money while chatting, and also serious about the fact that they need to take it as a business. Okay, and that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have more questions, you need more clarifications, feel free to drop it down in the comment section. I'm here to ensure I answer whatever questions you have, so as to ensure that you all are out there and you guys are actually optimizing this site very, very well. Already there are a whole lot of people on this site making a whole lot of money, a whole lot of people around the world that are actually using it as a source of income. Head to the site right now, RentAFriend, register, set up your account, set up the type of interest you want to be chatting with people on. Okay, you need to also be specific so that when people are actually looking for friends, you can showcase that yes, you're actually someone that is interested in sports, you're someone that has interest in weddings, wedding stock, weddings chat, clubbing and all, whatever it might be. So the most important aspect for you to actually get someone to click on your particular profile is the way you set up your account. Okay, people don't just just select a random person. Rather, they select based on how you describe yourself, based on what you pour out that you can actually chat about. That is way, way more attractive. As you guys can see, we have a whole lot of people that have very good testimonials about Rent a Friend. In fact, we have people that are actually interested in movies here, people that teach people how to dance as a friend, workouts, gym, and so many options here on the site Rent a Friend. And like I made mention of the fact that for you to actually get started, it's very simple. Come here to home, scroll to the bottom where you have become a friend. Now once you're here where you have be a friend, click on it. Now once you click on be a friend, all you simply have to do is to insert all your details. And this is where a whole lot of people get it wrong on Rent a Friend, because I have a whole lot of people in my community that tell me that some of them actually get friends while some are actually still lacking behind. And I do tell them, okay, can I see your profile? And if I look at the profile, it's more like the profile was set up like they're not putting work inside the profile. More like rather than saying, oh, I love to teach people how to dance, I'm someone that is very deep in conversations. No, they wouldn't put that. They'll just put friendly and cute. Nah, that doesn't work. You need to put something detailed, something that is more explanatory about yourself. This is very, very important on Rent a Friend. It's just like you outside, you're trying to get a friend, and the way you present yourself obviously is the way someone would actually say, oh, I can actually be a friend to this person. Same thing applies here on the rentafriend.com site. This is basically online. So the first thing whoever wants to get a friend sees is your profile. So you want to ensure you put in enough work in your profile. It's very, very crucial. Then another beauty of Rent a Friend is the fact that if you have problems or you're confused about certain things, feel free to come here where you have this chat icon. Once you click on it, you're going to see a whole lot of frequently asked questions, and in case you need support from their customer agents or whoever it might be, feel free to do it over here. This is where you can actually ask for support, read frequently asked questions a whole lot of people have talked about. And yeah, it's very, very crucial you understand that you can actually do this in case of any challenge at all. Or if you don't want to use that particular method, come here to where you have contact us or help. Okay, so these are areas where you can actually help to reach out to your customer agent, and they can help you on whatever that you need. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a whole lot and you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and also feel free to share this video with your friends and family members out there. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.